confident he can outwit his new feathered friends. So close. Surely Nigel must net something soon. Sooner than he thinks, in fact.
They're coming straight for us.
With the track ruined, the microraptors discover there is such a thing as a free lunch.
Microraptors in the trees. It's like they're taunting us.
But this is a dangerous place, and he'll have to watch out for ever-increasing levels of volcanic activity.
It's that peculiar creature we saw earlier, the one that wrecked the microraptor trap. I think he's got a girlfriend. I'm going to try to get closer. I researched these back at Prehistoric Park, and like microraptors, and that would make sense because this male is displaying to a female just like some modern birds do to their mates. That's why he's got those beautiful colours to flaunt them to females. And when he attacked us, when he was aggressive, maybe he thought that male was going to take his mate away. You for hours, but we've got to go.
The moment has come for Nigel to put his plan into action. And this time, he thinks he's got the right equipment to finish the job.